Hello and welcome to the 5th week of the Designing Emergency Shelters course. In this week we are in the middle of our design process. We started with the design of the shelters in our 3rd week. Then we proceeded with the design of the cluster where the shelters are gathered around public space in the camp. This week we are going into the design development. With the feedback that we gave you during the weekend on our Saturday virtual meeting, and also with the feedback that you received from us online on our Facebook group, I invite you to proceed with the design and to the next phases. In this phase, we will discuss how the shelter is built, what is it made out of, what are the materials that it's made out of, what are the modules that it's built into. For example, if we're designing a shelter that is made of prefabricated elements, how big are these elements, how are they assembled, how are they transported, and how big they need to be so that they can fit eventually in a truck for the transportation. We want every shelter to be built without the use of cranes, so all the elements need to be relatively lightweight. They could be lifted by 2 people every element and then put together on site. This is why you have to think about how you design the single element so that they are not too heavy. Let's say that every element could be around 30 kilograms so that 2 people can easily lift it up and put it into place. If it's more than that, then we'll need a larger team of maybe 4 people that can build the shelter. In the camps, there are a lot of people who are available, so even if you need more people to carry each single element, that would be possible. At the end of this week, we will meet again in our virtual meeting on Saturdays, as we do every week, and we'll give you feedback on your design. So I invite you to join us Saturday at 10 o'clock New York time and to present your proposal to us. We are exactly 2 weeks from the time of the final submission. This week is the design development, next week is the construction design or the construction drawings design and the calculation of the cost of the shelters. Afterwards, we'll just have some more time for the representation and for finalizing proposals, and then you have to submit the proposal to our final jury. In the end, the jury will collect all the materials and they will decide which the best solutions are, and will make a recommendation for those to be implemented. So it's a really great opportunity to be designing shelters and to be working with you. I look forward to seeing your designs in the next weeks.